Hey, how's it going today? My name's Eric and welcome to my channel. If you find any of this information valuable, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Today, I'm going to make a quick video on Finviz and how I find stocks to try to especially swing trade. And I'll show you the settings that I do that and give you a quick overview if you've never seen dealt with Finviz. You can pay for it, but this is the free version to help you out here. So this is the opening page. They give you a nice thing of a lot of info here. You can see what the market's going on, news if you're into that sort of thing. And then, of course, maps if you want to look at the overall market. As you can see today, it's November 16th, November 15th. You can see financials doing very well and utilities is doing very well. You could also just click on groups here and you can see utilities and financial doing very well today, and financial and energy during the week. So it gives you a nice overall thing to look at stocks if you're just looking at in groups and you wanted to do that. But what I'm going to tell you today is the screener here. So the screener is right here. We just click on that and we'll go into settings here. So it's in descriptive right now, and I just simply go in to price, which is down here. I want to get rid of any penny stocks, so I will just go to over $10. After that, I'll just I want a lot of liquidity. I want to be able to get rid of some of my stocks, so I'm going to not mess around. I'm going to go with over $1 million. So I'm down at 1,300 already. So after that, we're just going to go to technicals, and from here I'm going to go over to the 20-day simple moving average. I'm going to go down here and click, and as you can see, they've got lots of choices that you could do. But what I'm going to pick here is that the SMA crossed the SMA 50, and I'll just click on that one. We're down to 249, and then over the 50-day simple moving average, I'll click on this one. I'll just simply go down. I want the price about 10% above the SMA 50. We're down to 23, and I also want these to be doing well for a couple months. So I'll move over to the 200-day simple moving average. I'll click on this, and I just simply want price above 200, and we're down to 21. So once I got all mine, so I got a nice 21 that are doing fairly well. I will just simply, to look at them better, there's a little button here, charts. It just comes out, and I can just take a nice look at all these charts, which is really nice. I can see how they're doing. This one, chart communication, looks like it's hit its top. This one's hit its top, so not seeing anything real quick, but this one sticks out right here, fun. You can see it's gone up from the top, and it's gone down. It looks like it's making a move up, so I would just simply click on that one. Take a look here, and after that I would click and go to trading view, which I've been telling you guys about. This is how I would trade. Go down into my super charts right here and just click in a few in. This is how quickly I look at stocks, and I'm looking at them. I got some nice setups going on here. We got the KC going there, and it looks like maybe missed it on this trade, but oh well, but it looks like it's making a nice. This is what a one I would stick on my one that you could stick on your list to look at a little bit and see how it's doing. Looks like it's kind of made its top already, maybe not. something more to look at, but just gives you more option along with what I've shown you in my other videos of looking at stocks with TradingView. So yeah, that's it. Nice and short video. And as always, we're going to wrap it up here on Friday. I hope you have a great weekend, guys. And as always, if you find any of this information useful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you all on the next video.